Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the TiviMate IPTV player to your Firesticks or Android TVs. That's one of the best free IPTV players which you can use to stream MVU links as well as extreme codes. And now without any further ado, let me show you how to get the TiviMate app to your Firestick device. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick device. You can actually get downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. And to do so, we go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, we need to start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still have to set it up. And now, in order to set up downloader on your device, we need to go to settings, then open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it's actually easy to make them appear. So to do that on your device, you just need to go to About, open it, then select Fire TV Stick, and now you need to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case, and in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you need to go to install known apps, and from here you just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, we open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Finland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, open downloader, and wait until it loads for you. Now, on the left side menu, make sure to click on home, and in the search bar, we gotta start entering the code, which is, in our case, gonna be 272483. So once again, it is 272483. That's the code we're gonna use. Then you gotta click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And as you can see, the file download already started, only took us a couple of seconds. Then we need to click install, and now finally TiviMate will be installed to our Firestick device. And after it's been installed, you should not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available. Then let's go to the list of apps on your device, and there you'll find the TiviMate player, which we have just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way TiviMate is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. And then finally we open the TiviMate application. Then you need to click on add a playlist, and from here it actually all depends on your live TV provider. So if they gave you an extreme code, in that case you need to click on extreme codes, then enter the link to your server right here, and then add a username and a password which were also given to you by your IPTV provider. Then you gotta click on next, and the playlist is going to appear in your app. Alternatively, if you were given an M3U link, that's an option as well. You would need to click on M3U playlist, then enter the link, click on next, and that's the way to add a playlist if you got an M3U link. And that's it. Today you learned how to get TiviMate IPTV player to your Firestick, as well as how to set it up. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.